Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, this is Sean here to talk to y'all about vending machines. So I hope y'all ready for this. Whatever y'all have any questions, leave it in the comments, and I'll do it on the next video. Probably I've covered the beginning right now. So,
Hello, hello. I'm your assistant in the background. I'll be asking you a few questions because I'm so interested in the vending machine business.
yeah, very interesting. So what kind of questions do you have?
First of all, I have friends and I'm kind of interested in this vending machine business as well. But what I want to know is what sparked your attention to start a vending machine business and how long have you had your business?
I started this. Like I told you before, I started this business because it was in my heart. It's something that I wanted to do.
Mm-hmm.
So I tell people, if it's something you want to do it. If you just see somebody else being successful, then don't try it because it's not for you. Because everything when I started, everything fell in my lap. So I started off. I called a company in Las Vegas on the west side. They gave me I wanted to do 3 machines. I said it's too expensive. So some say try 5. So I tried 5. So I got 5, and I went to Las Vegas, and they kept me in the lounge for free. Lodging was free, free meals, and the flight was free. Nothing's free, but it's part of the package, I guess. So when I came back, they found me some good locations and everything. So that kind of fell in my lap. Like I was kind of lucky to have all that.
Okay.
So my first 3 got placed. The 4th one took maybe a month to get placed. Then the last one kind of got me worried because I bought all this stuff on credit cards. So
Oh boy.
yeah, the last one took like maybe 3 months. So that got put in location. And then this other guy I met through my accountant.
Mm-hmm.
This is another lucky blessing. The guy just fell in my
Wow,
lap.
you full of blessings.
Yeah, so
Tell me about it. Tell me more. Tell me more.
Yeah, so he knew somebody that had 7,000 machines.
Mm-hmm.
So he introduced me to somebody else, and I was able to buy 36 machines from another person.
Wow.
So I paid $45,000 for 5 machines for brand new ones.
Okay.
And then I bought a route. Now we went from 5 machines to 36.
Mm-hmm.
They both cost the same price.
Why is that? I mean.
So now you know which way I'm going. I'm finding machines from somebody else.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
you were able to, at that point, you say I have to get me a business license for my area, my state, and get registered, and we're about to roll with this vending machine business.
Yeah. I had another business before,
Okay.
2018, and I kind of quit. So then that business in 2018, I started the business. Then I started the vending machine business in 2020, 2019.
Okay.
I can't remember. So I've been had an LLC. I always want to start with LLC so I can be business ready.
LLC. All right. Now everybody hear that? Start with your LLC.
Yeah, start with your LLC because it's going to come in handy later on. Like when you go get business loans, they're going to say, have you been in business for more than 2 years?
Okay.
So they don't really want to give a brand new business. It was hard to get loans for businesses under 5 years. It's possible, but it's just harder.
Just a little harder.
Yeah, 5 years is like the magic number. But I got business funding through Navy Federal. Like I got credit cards and line of credit. It wasn't really a business loan, but it was a loan. Whatever way you can get the money, I just got the money just so I can have my business started.
Well, Navy Federal is really good at business loans, personal loans.
Yeah.
So yeah, I got you right there.
Pretty good.
Wow. So you were gonna start off with 3, and you end up with 5.
Yeah.
And you charge it to your card, so you must believe that hey, if I'm gonna put this on my credit card, then guess what? Something better come back.
Yeah, well, those credit cards are. I found a company that helped me find credit cards. They helped me find 45,000 in credit cards,
Okay.
but I had to pay them 10%. But it was in my heart, so I wasn't scared. The normal person would be scared.
Right.
So yeah, I wasn't scared at all. So I financed everything like that.
Gotcha. And it looks like you're doing great today. These days you're doing fine.
Good. Went right through COVID. That was kind of difficult, but yeah, I made it through.
And after COVID, now we're back in the grind.
Yep.
So how much does one vending machine make a day? I know it probably depends on what type of vending machine it is, but roughly, I mean, you probably can't even give me that number, but hey, let's shoot for it.
It depends on foot traffic. Like people say, barbershops and hair salons is good business. I had a barbershop and it only gave me like $30 a month, so it wasn't good.
Whoa.
I'll check it out. It wasn't good at all. Maybe I was in the wrong one, but I like doing apartment buildings. Apartment buildings, even when COVID came, they were still open. So I could still go. It was kind of difficult. They want me to wear a mask and all this other stuff, so I still went and go fill the machines then. I had one nursing home, they were closed for like 2 years. I couldn't get in there.
Oh my goodness.
And they had a frozen machine. The food started coming through the paper wrap, and it was funny smell. It was bad. So
Wow.
I ain't really have as bad as other people had it.
So you have to deal with all that. So it's not just a vending machine business. Your vending machine is in somebody's establishment.
Yeah.
So you have to go through them.
So you have to be a good business person. You have your own business, and you have to worry about other people's business. Like,
Right.
yeah, it's like a business in a business.
All right. Well, part 2 is coming up.
Yeah, part 2 is coming up. Talk to y'all soon. Any questions, leave them in the comments.